Are you ready?
Yes, I'm filming your hand now.
Okay.
What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. In this video I will be showing
Why do you call me Tumbishim? Am I that fat?
the disasters that I had to go through. I will be starting the draining the system, fairly simple procedure.
You call me Tumbishim.
I have my drain port there, I use soft tubing. The reason I have a fan underneath the pump is because it slides, the mechanism is not good enough and I haven't tried to improve it myself either. Most of the water I get it out of the radiator this way, and if you use for the top inlet of the pump some kind of air, more of the water will come out also. There's always gonna be some kind of water left in the radiator when I have my radiator on the top position. It was a crazy journey trying to take this computer to Turkey. I wanted to have it over there, but once I came to the border, the guy claims to me, "You're a minor because of the fans. Apparently a minor, you don't even have a graphic card here, and this system is worth 7,000 euro. I was like, what the hell? Obviously, I couldn't pass because they're asking for bribe. I said to them, I'll give you soup money. They didn't like that. It was a painful procedure. Having a flashback when I look at this video.
Do you see that powder dust?
These problems were minor, some dust issue. This is nothing to complain about. You're gonna see a lot of problems in this video. It is very funny. They curse the system. Problem after problem it will happen. Happens in the computer world. I show you the real scenario. And I was having frustration with trying to find the right tool to use
show the screw first.
to take out the fans. Oh boy, I didn't know what was gonna happen over there. This is from Black & Decker, some of you guys asked. And this is the apartment how I left. I took out most of my stuff and left this way. As you see, my acoustic foams destroyed the roof completely, so the landlord is not gonna be happy about it, that's for sure. And here I have a temporarily studio / working area. Very small it is, unfortunately. But I won't be staying here that long. This is like a temporary solution that I put it up. Got the computer sitting there. Some of the parts, I just booked my shipping for UPS. Some of the company sent stuff to me, which has to be shipped. Did the cable routing. This took a long time. It's not fun doing this once again. That's for sure. That's the edifier speaker that I'm gonna still place and start using. Some random stuff. I don't recommend that case at all. Some rock wool. I have so much random stuff in this room, it's crazy. And all of these suitcases that you see have stuff inside of them. And here problems started appearing. Since I had it back of my car, this stuff, I don't know, it's because of the movement or something, tube sizes were the same. I just kept getting those leaks non-stop. So I had to make new tubes for the one that's gonna leak. Thinking everything is fine here. Just gonna fill up the system. Guess what? It's gonna leak again. This happens when you have custom loop. When you're tired and you're not fully focused, it's quite common this to happen. Obviously I don't have a leak tester here, some shirt laying around. But it wasn't leaking from the fittings, it's because of the tube length. Exactly that one on the top where you see the water is. We will be installing GPU into this system also, so we won't be running integrated 30 Hz anymore. I'm like, this looks okay. Bubbles are normal. We just refill the system, they disappear within a day. This system has been through a lot. One of the case legs broke, they sent a replacement. There's gonna be a video about Corsair, how they scam their customers with 10-year warranty. Got the replacement, that's gonna have its dedicated video. Here I was running 32 GB. Be ready for that one. Checking everything, I'm like, yes, it works, finally I can sit down. Just about to remove this fitting. Valve is closed, so a little bit it will leak, but it's not an issue. If you have it open, then it's a disaster. Closing it off.
Nice.
Hey, look at here. I'm upgrading to 64 GB thinking everything is gonna be fine. This RAM kit lasted 1 hour. This is the replacement, by the way, that I changed in October, I believe. The new ones without RGB and the rest are with RGB. They have the same CL, so it doesn't matter. This is the kit that they replaced, and my internet just stopped working for some reason.
That's just amazing.
I was like, this is going really good. You just reset the internet adapter from Windows settings and it works. But you're tired, you want to do everything fast, get it done. That's the biggest mistake here. You gotta take your time with this stuff, or else you end up causing more problem. System leaks again from the same place. 64 GB stopped working. That's the leak. Nothing too tragic. And the error code is usually on this ROS motherboards are C1, which means it's memory related problem. Thinking everything is fine here. I try both of the XMPs to see if they work. You're supposed to use XMP1, which is gonna set them on 3600 MHz. Worked for an hour. I had a leak, and I just shut down the system, fixed the leak, started the computer. It's just post cycling with the error C1. So we're back at Kingston to contact them again. It is crazy how much traveling or cursed or whatever you want to name it, but I'm officially back. I didn't have COVID, and it's the same issue with the Kingston RAM kit. I don't recommend them. I don't know if they do quality control even. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves.